not everybody knew
Yeah.
how to tune. So people coming from outside the city, I won't name anybody, but people used to
Yeah.
come with hidden nitrous because naturally aspirated race में turbo या nitrous allowed नहीं होती. तो उसमें हम
Yeah.
इंजन से पावर निकालते थे, which is difficult with high compression pistons, camshaft, blah blah blah. So the
Yeah.
easy way out
Yeah.
is you just install nitrous, but that's not allowed. So they used to hide the
Yeah.
nitrous, and it was quite difficult trying to catch it because they were quite clever with it. Fuel line के अंदर से nitrous की line ला रहे, tape की. It was fun finding the nitrous, but we knew कि जब
Yeah.
कोई आ रहा होता था तो वो nitrous.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another Fire podcast. Over here today, we have, well, I'm just going to cut it short. He is one of the pioneers and the gurus of the Pakistani car scene, the modern Pakistani car scene. That's how I've been describing him to my friend over here, Salman. He's like, so
Maybe
because
you're too
Salman's not
kind.
too much into the car scene. No, I'm not too kind. It's the truth. It's the truth. This guy has done it all. He's owned Pakistan's fastest car. He's been building cars since he was 14. He has also seen the rise and fall of the Pakistani car scene, and we will be just diving right into it, guys. But before we begin,
Sure.
Salman's going to take over the plug and then just start things.
Guys, if you're
From
here
there.
in 30 seconds and you still like what you're listening to, please like and subscribe. If you're not here in 30 seconds, have a good day. But Hamza, I'm gonna throw you a curveball as we jump into it. I know very little about cars. I enjoy cars, but I
Okay.
know almost nothing
Okay.
about them. What
Okay.
is, in your opinion, an underrated car in Pakistan? A fun car that people don't, like as much as they should.
An underrated car in Pakistan. I think Pakistanis are just going after three brands since a lot of years, which we call the
Yeah.
big three: Honda, Toyota, and Suzuki. They're
Yeah.
not bad
Yeah.
brands, I'm not going to say that. But there are a lot of cars in the market which people don't consider reliable or their resale is not good, and that's just because of word of mouth, how people perceive the car culture. So, like nowadays, Kia, these new brands are entering the market, and I'm very excited, even though it's not my cup of tea, but at least people will have some other options now
Yeah.
as to Corolla and Civics and the run of the mill
Yeah.
cars, right? So, I
Yeah.
think underrated cars in the sense of performance, they really are none in Pakistan because there's high duties on CC, so all the cars are mostly economy cars, right? So
Yeah.
underrated, as in I'm gonna say that the Nissan brand is very underrated in Pakistan, even
Yeah.
though it's considered a luxury brand in Japan, right? People. And I think Kia is very underrated right now. It's a big brand. You living in the US, you know that Kia
Yeah.
has been having high level of sales in the US, and they're
Yeah.
stepping up the
Yeah.
game. And whatever brand sells in the US, we can consider it because US is the main competitive market in the world. So if Kia is
I have
selling,
to ask you one thing.
yeah.
I have to ask you one thing. I did not know that Nissan was a luxury brand in Japan. Is that true?
Yeah,
like
it
I've
used
been
to be.
hearing a lot of shit
It
about.
used to be
I've been hearing
back
a lot
in
of shit
the
about
day.
Nissan.
Back in the day, where my uncles and whatnot, some of them lived in Japan. So when they came back, they were all Nissan. Nobody used to care about Toyota that much. I mean, Toyota
Yeah.
was in the game, but Nissan for the Japanese domestic market, I'm talking about, not the US market.
JDM.
In the US market,
Yeah.
Lexus and Toyota, they were doing wonders. But in Japan, the Nissan was considered a prestigious brand, like a sign of prestige
Yeah.
if you were driving a Nissan Petrol. So you were somebody.
Yeah.
You couldn't be
Oh,
alone.
shit.
Yeah.
You know
But
what?
nowadays,
Was
Nissan
it-
has gone down. Yeah.
Was it the equivalent of like having a Land Cruiser in Pakistan? Like driving a Nissan Patrol was the equivalent of having a Land Cruiser?
Yeah, it's funny how cars have been perceived in different countries. When you go to Dubai, the UAE, over there the
Yeah.
number one Japanese car is the Nissan Petrol. They all love it. When you go
Yeah.
to Kuwait, the Land Cruiser is very successful, right? When you go to Saudi, the GMC, the American trucks, the Saudis love those. So
Yeah.
it's different. There is a long backstory that why the UAE guys
Yeah,
love
yeah.
Nissan, blah blah blah. But it's
Yeah.
just, I don't know. Every country has their own favorite car. So in Pakistan, Land Cruiser is the king. If you have money, you want to be, you want to
Exactly.
show off, you want to be somebody,
Yeah.
you buy a Land Cruiser. It's
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
I don't like it, but people just, they're after Land Cruisers and everybody wants a
Yeah.
Land Cruiser.
Here's what
Exactly.
this reminds me. So, in my opinion, most underrated car, yes, Japan, yes, Nissan, the Juke. I feel like that car got so much hate.
Yeah, because it's ugly. It's
It's ugly as
It's
shit, bro. So
unique.
what are you on about?
It's different though. Like every other car on the streets looks exactly the same. You have your Miranda Buzz, you have your old style Corollas, you have your new Civics.
Yeah.
That is it. Then the Juke
Yeah.
came in, and it was the first car that people actually even talked about, because it was doing something.
Mm.
Yeah, I mean, it had its day, it had its publicity. It wasn't the greatest car ever, but I mean, personally,
Yeah.
I like Nissan because of the GTR. It's one of my favorite cars. So
It is.
I tend to be a bit biased towards them. Maybe I shouldn't
Yeah.
be, but just because of the GTR, I like the Nissan brand that, I even give them credit for the 370Z, which is a shit
Yeah.
car, and
Yeah.
Nissan Patrol and whatnot. But
Yeah.
I mean, I love Japanese cars. Pakistan is a Japanese domestic sort of a market. So
Yeah.
growing up, even though I am into American cars as well, but Japanese
Yeah.
cars is what we get mostly. So
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
One thing that I really want to ask about, since we before we start rambling on about the Juke and Japanese cars and all that, what I want to ask you, Hamza, is something that is very, very interesting to not only me but also to you. You have been in the car scene for around over 15, 16 years. You built your first car when you were 14.
Yeah.
I believe it was a Honda. It was a Honda.
Yeah, I
that,
bought I
I'm
bought
sure-
this Civic from my friend in Karachi. It was a 1996 Honda Civic. The normal EK sedan, what we call it.
Yeah, yeah.
So it was a D series, the
Yeah.
standard engine, but it had been turboed. Then I worked on it. I blew the engine up a couple of times because I was learning all this. And back
Yeah.
then we didn't have Google. I mean, we had Yahoo, but that sucked. So we didn't have
Yeah.
Google and forums that we could just go on and talk to people
Yeah.
and learn about stuff. So we
Yeah.
had to do trial and error, as we call it. You do something and you're like,
Yeah.
oh shit, the engine went boom. But the dollar was at 60 rupees and parts were so cheap that you could afford to rebuild and rebuild again. And that's how I learned.
Yeah.
So I also recommend to all the newbies that your first car in Pakistan, because there's a very limited availability of other cars, should be a Honda because you can do tons of it. You learn a lot. And I'm not talking about Hondas with cut springs and slammed and cambered wheels. Nothing like that. I'm just talking about if you want to get into the tuner scene. So the Honda should be your first. I've been getting a lot of slack, by the way, which I put up a status about racers and people have been messaging me.
Can we
and-
talk about the Centaurus Auto Show? Can we talk about the Centaurus Auto Show, please?
Yeah, if
Please,
you
I want
want-
to talk about the stance cars over there.
Yeah, the thing is that I know not everybody likes speed and I respect all builds. Okay? I've been in the game long enough. I have owned Hondas, Toyotas. Okay? People think I am a snob or whatever, that if I drive a GTR, I don't care about Hondas. That's a lie. I do. But one thing I
Yeah.
don't like is it's just weird, the culture which is developed now, that people, if you don't care about performance, that's fine. You care about aesthetics and the beauty aspect, that's okay. Then you stick to that. But if your car is not a performance car, what's the point of installing a big ass muffler and just revving the car up and just it's only noise pollution. There's nothing entertaining, there's nothing exciting. Okay, they've cut the springs and the tires are so the camber is so much that you can't even drive the car.
Zero functionality.
Zero
functionality.
ठीक, I know it's not a circuit car, but I just don't know. I'm just very upset that where the scene is going now. I mean,
Yo,
जिसका जो शौक है वो करे. Yeah.
Hamza, you showed up to the show. Did you see how much smoke there was? Dude, I swear to you, it wasn't just tire burning. It was probably a clutch being burnt. There was probably engines being blown at the place. Dude, it was just a mixture of everything and it was just chaos, bro. Like, and I know that you left within 5 minutes or something like that.
Yeah, I wasn't even gonna come, okay? I was going somewhere with my nephews, and they were excited. They said, "Ki car show ho raha hai, let's drop by." I said, "Okay, okay." So I just parked the car. We just walked in, and I was like, "What the hell is going on?" Because every year it's getting worse. Obviously, there are more people coming into the sport, which I like, but वो किसी और direction में जा रहा है, जिससे we're never gonna have a government sponsored track or anything, because you need to show the government, you need to show the media that we are actual enthusiasts. We're not just people, ये तो वो अजीब सा माहौल होता है. I don't know. It's not my cup of tea.
Here's the thing. I have a rebuttal for that. Isn't the Omni track in Karachi, which just recently opened a month ago, I believe, like a few weeks ago, isn't that a good sign that we might be getting a track?
Yeah, I
I
am very happy. It's a positive step. Even though it's not a car circuit, it's a go-karting circuit. And you can hold autocross events on it, meaning one car at a time going for laps, right? You can't race 2 or 3 cars together because it's not wide enough and it's dangerous, right? It's not a high-speed track because it's a karting track. But it's a start, and the owner, he's very enthusiastic, so he's allowing cars on it. That way,
Yeah.
somebody can pick it up after a year or something and show the government or whatever relevant adara that, see, there's so many enthusiasts, now we need a proper circuit, right? I mean, just for the record, now it doesn't matter, but back in 2006, 2007, my elder brother, he was building an FIA approved car racing circuit in Lahore, right? And the people who know me
Amazing.
since then, they know that it was happening. We had investors on board. We got a proper circuit design made from
Yeah.
Tilke Engineering. It's a long story,
Yeah.
but it didn't happen because when PPP came into power, the investors who were UAE based, they backed out because they trusted Musharraf's government and they didn't want to invest in Pakistan when there is Zardari in power. I don't have any political
Yeah.
affiliations, neither
Yeah,
do I
yeah.
want to get into politics, but they didn't trust
Yeah.
the PPP. So they took their investment
understand.
back. But
Yeah.
that was
And-
a 4-kilometer track, right? And it was for cars. So on the straights, you could do 200 plus kilometers per hour, and corners you could overtake. And you could have held international level races, not Formula One, but
Yeah.
a decent level of races could have been held in Pakistan. But we
Like the
can't-
JDM scene would have been like the JDM. I'm assuming the JDM scene that we have over here would have been very well satisfied with having that level of track around.
Yeah, obviously, when you देखो, I also feel bad for the guys here because when you build a car, you put so much money into it. You
Yeah.
want, and if it's a performance car, you want to test the performance out somewhere, right? Now, public roads are
Exactly.
very dangerous. ठीक है? When we race, we
Yeah.
go to far-fetched areas outside the cities, maybe housing societies, empty roads, but it's still dangerous. ठीक है?
Yeah.
I won't say that it's not. So you need
Yeah.
a circuit, and that's how more people will get into performance rather than stance and all that bullshit. Because they'll have a
Yeah.
place to show it, na? And you don't need
Yeah.
money for that, yeah. You can even have a bone stock Civic with nice shocks and nice tires, and you can take it to the circuit. It's a lot of fun. You don't need high
Yeah.
budgets, but you need government sort of backing because a private person can't purchase 500 or 1,000 canals of land and then build a track. I mean, the people who
Yeah.
purchase this much land, they turn it into a housing society because that's much better business. They make 10
That's
times the
better
money
business, yeah.
they would make on a circuit. So it doesn't make financial sense to them. And a circuit would repay them over 50 years. They're probably dead. They want to get rich quick
Yeah.
so they can buy Land Cruisers and blah, blah, blah. So
Yeah.
you need some sort of government push or some sort of state push that, okay, we give you the land
Yeah.
and you bring investors or sponsors or whatever and you build the track and we lease it to you for
Yeah.
99 years, blah, blah, blah. It's a long story. We've tried
Yeah.
a lot, but right now the government only cares about cricket and PSL. Unfortunately, they don't
I
take
swear.
motorsports as a
It's
sport.
fucking annoying.
Yeah.
Hamza,
Hmm.
it's not only the car scene, it's every other sport. MMA में चले जाओ वो भी रो रहे हैं. The same MMA boys are crying. The
हाँ.
government is not sponsoring us.
वो
You
कोई
go to
बॉ-
any other sport
हाँ.
apart from cricket.
हाँ. वो
Everybody's
कोई
crying.
कोई बॉक्सर मेरी फेसबुक प्रोफाइल पे था बेचारा, सीम्स नाइस इनफ, बट वो कह रहा था कि जी
Yeah.
मैं बाहर फाइट्स पे जीत के आया, मुझे कोई सपोर्ट ही नहीं मिल रहा. सो यू नो यू फील बैड
Yeah.
कि यार इट्स अ स्पोर्ट. पूरी दुनिया में मतलब बॉक्सिंग पेज 20 times more than cricket. See what these guys, ये Mayweather
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
McGregor are doing, and even MMA, Khabib वगैरह. But over here,
Yeah.
cricket is our only sport, and our national sport is hockey, in which we don't even come in the top 10 now. So I don't know.
Amazing.
But huh.
Amazing. Salman, take it over, bro.
Dude, no.
You've been quiet for quite a while.
I shut up because this is
No,
all
sorry, I talk
information
too
to
much.
me.
So you gotta
No,
cut-
no, no, no,
cut
no.
it.
It's all good, bro.
I shut up because this is shit I haven't heard before, man. Because this is all very interesting to me.
See what I told you, Hamza? People don't know these stories.
I didn't know any
People
of
don't know
this.
this.
Not at
Yeah.
all.
So one thing another thing that I want to ask you is that I want you to do a compare and contrast and the pros and cons. The car scene 15 years ago when you started off and the car scene right now and where it's headed. What are
Yep.
the pros and cons of back then and what is it right now? Take the floor, bro.
Yeah, I'll keep it short. The thing is that 15 years ago, the scene was very small, right? Everybody knew
Yeah.
everybody, right? I'm talking about the people who liked racing and tuners, engine swaps, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Not body kits and rim tire wale log,
Yeah.
the performance. So the scene was very small, okay? So it was fun because there was no politics. Everybody was racing everybody. I was racing my Saga Bhai in front of the crowd. Nobody cares. Everybody's enjoying. I used to race my
Yeah.
own partners at the workshop, stuff like that. Now there are so
Yeah.
many people involved because obviously people have got money. जो बच्चे अभी बड़े हो रहे हैं वो
Yeah.
scene में आ रहे हैं. So it's good. I'm happy that more and more people are being encouraged and joined it. But it's I don't know. People need some sort of, I don't know, not a mentor, but they need some motivation. They need to see where they're heading. They don't, it's just haphazard. I mean, एक दोस्त ने गाड़ी बनाई, दूसरे ने बना ली. They don't know what they want, where they're going.
Yeah.
You know, and if
Yeah.
you talk to somebody, people don't like listening to anybody because they're like, who are you? It's our money. We can do whatever. So, which is fine. But you know, I feel bad looking at people who getting into the sport right now because हर बंदे ने एक tuner garage खोल दिया, even though they don't know jack shit about tuning, but they're just there to make a quick buck, right? Unfortunately.
Bro,
Huh.
what about the whole culture of not knowing how to tune a car or not knowing how to flash an ECU, but having nitrous pipes taped up like fuel lines and just put into a car?
यार वो हमारे टाइम पे होता था because not everybody
Yeah.
knew how to tune. So people coming from outside the city, I won't name anybody, but people used to
Yeah.
come with hidden nitrous because naturally aspirated race में turbo या nitrous allowed नहीं होती. तो उसमें हम इंजन से पावर निकालते थे, which is difficult with high compression pistons, camshaft, blah blah blah. So the
Yeah.
easy way
Yeah.
out is you just install nitrous, but that's not allowed. So they used to hide
Yeah.
the nitrous, and it was quite difficult trying to catch it because they were quite clever with it. Fuel line के अंदर से nitrous की line ला रहे, tape की. It was fun finding the nitrous, but we knew कि जब
Yeah.
कोई आ रहा होता था तो वो nitrous लगा के. It was good times. देखो यार, जब आप जिस टाइम पे आपका अपना टीनेज होता है, you get into something, whatever time it is, you have fun, right? So I miss that
Yeah.
time. I miss कि भाई नॉन पॉलिटिकल एक माहौल एटमोसफेयर है. nobody cares
Yeah.
who wins who loses. कोई prizes तो है नहीं, ये क्या हो रहा है? ठीक है, no ego,
Yeah.
no bullshit. You just come, you race, you
Yeah.
lose, you go home next week, you prepare your car, make it faster, you come back, try again. अब तो
Yeah.
किसी से रेस हारो या जीतो, फेसबुक पे 500 कमेंट्स की थ्रेड होती है, उसमें आपका दिल हट जाता है. यूर लाइक यार मैंने रेस की
Oh
है,
my God.
मैंने अपनी गाड़ी
Yeah.
से की है, मैं जीता हूँ या हारा हूँ. यू गेटिंग सो मच शिट फ्रॉम पीपल कि यू लाइक फक इट यार.
Exactly.
हाँ, मतलब फॉर व्हाट? बिकॉज वीडियोस
my
आ
God.
गई हैं, forums and बट खैर.
But here's the thing.
Yeah.
I have an opinion on that too. The fact that you're getting comments means that you're getting attention. आपका काम है कि you shouldn't let those comments dishearten you. The fact it's good that more people are watching. It's good that 500 people are commenting because they're taking interest. In my opinion, that's a good sign for more people coming into the scene because there'll be more people who'll have money and they'll be like, okay, I can actually definitely race.
नहीं वो आई अंडरस्टैंड, वो तो नो
Yeah.
पब्लिसिटी इज बैड, बट मुझे ये
Yeah.
होता है ना कि लोगों के अंदर देयर इज जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ jealousy and hatred.
Is it a
and-
Pakistani thing? Is it a Pakistani thing or is it like a general worldwide
I
thing?
think it's more like a brown people thing. Maybe it's even in
Yeah.
India and Bangladesh or whatever this whole belt is, na? All of us.
Yeah.
It's not just
Yeah, all of
Pakistani
us.
thing. It's a वो हाँ. देखो बाहर ये है ना कि I've seen people over here कि आप खड़े हो कहीं और a nice car passes and people look at it. I even look at it and I smile. I like it. But people are saying,
Yeah.
"ओए, उस बंदे की शक्ल देखो, ये हराम का पैसा होगा, ये गाड़ी इसने ली." So no, but हाँ, it's
Every
very typical.
time.
Yeah, it's very typical.
Every time.
Nobody is happy for anybody कि यार चलो वो एक अच्छी
Yeah.
गाड़ी चला रहा है तो आप गाड़ी देखो और आप खुश हो जाओ.
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
people have to pass a negative comment कि
Here's
भाई
my
I swear, bro.
इसका बाप तो मिनिस्टर होगा या आर्मी का जनरल होगा या ब्यूरोक्रेट होगा और करप्ट होगा. मतलब पहले ही लोग आपको जज करके वर्डिक्ट भी दे देते हैं, पता नहीं कि आप कौन है या so वो तो या है.
So
Amazing,
two
amazing.
things. The first
Yeah.
is I feel a reason that happens is that people don't have money. Like we have a very big class divide, and
Yeah.
that is disheartening, because most of these people commenting, they're upset because this is very out of reach for them, right?
Yeah.
But that's just my response. The other thing was I was actually thinking about what you said about how we don't have a sports scene. And I think one of the big things for having a sports scene is having that support, that following, right? Now, if
Yeah.
I want to follow, let's say, the racing scene in Islamabad in Pakistan, what if I want to follow specific racers, right? I don't know. Is that a thing? Can you follow people you like? It doesn't seem that organized, right? Maybe if that organization was there, people would be able to have
यार
preferred racers, personalities that are like the poster child for the racing movement.
Yeah, nobody cares about others because everybody has their own ego and own mind, right? And they feel bad asking somebody for advice or motivation, right? If you are the fastest in Pakistan, everybody is your friend. If you have a nice car, everybody is your friend, right? So the fastest car in Pakistan these days is a Nissan GTR from Lahore. He's a friend of mine
Yeah.
called Haseeb, right?
Yeah.
So Abhi,
Yeah.
he has thousands of fans all across Pakistan, and that's fine. if one day he doesn't have the fastest car of Pakistan, I'll see how many people
Hint,
still
hint.
stand by him, right? So if you have the fastest car, everybody will stand behind you. But if you are a
Yeah.
normal person with a decent amount of knowledge, nobody's going to ask you anything because they feel like their ego is being hurt, that they ask somebody for help, right? If somebody comes to
Exactly.
me and asks for advice, I would go out of my way and have a 50-minute conversation with them. Not so they come to me and get work done by me or I sell parts
Yeah.
to them and make a buck. No, just free of cost advice just because of my passion. But people don't
Yeah.
want to ask because वो कहते नहीं भी हम किसी से पूछें क्यों. बहुत बड़ी चीज है ना कि
Amazing.
बेइज्जती होती है कि यार
Yeah.
किसी से कि agreeing that somebody knows a bit more than you or somebody is a
Yeah.
bit more
It's
experienced
an
in
ego,
the
bro.
relevant field. It's the ego, huh?
It's so stupid. It's so stupid. It doesn't make any sense to me. Now, thank you for touching on the topic of having the fastest car because I know that you used to own one Pakistan's fastest car back in the day. It was a,
वो ऊपर नीचे आता रहता है. I mean, we built a car which was the fastest at one time. It was an Evo.
Yeah.
We still have it. We're still trying to make
isn't
it
it?
the fastest.
Wasn't the Viper? Wasn't it the Viper? Wasn't the Viper the fastest
yeah,
car?
the
at one-
Viper, I never raced the Viper. I mean, I just had fun with a couple of bike friends and blah, blah, blah. That
Yeah,
was
yeah.
not a race car. Race car was our Evo, which we built. And at one time in
Yeah.
Pakistan, it was the fastest car. And then
Yeah.
other cars came in. Then this GTR took over. I mean, it's, देखो,
Yeah.
हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We're going to try to be the fastest again. Even though the GTR
Yeah.
guy is our friend. We respect him, he respects
Yeah.
us. And that's how it should be.
Yeah.
We'll go to Lahore soon, we'll race him. If we lose,
Yeah.
we come back. ठीक है, हमारे कोई जायदाद तो नहीं बट रही है. We're not
Exactly.
losing anything,
Exactly.
right? ठीक है?
It's sportsmanship. It's a sport at the end of the day.
And 4
There's
months-
supposed to be friendly
हाँ.
sportsmanship.
Sorry, आप क्या कह रहे हो?
नहीं बोले
और
continue.
मैं कह रहा हूँ 4 months later we'll try again. Maybe we'll lose again. Then we build something else. We'll keep trying, right? Because everybody wants to be the fastest. But
Exactly.
वो जो बाकी हैं, अब असल में बात ये ना कि यार अब बहुत ज़्यादा फाइनेंसेस की भी गेम हो गई है. Back in the day,
Exactly.
money wasn't
A
everything.
GTR.
हाँ.
A
So-
GTR. Tell us how much a GTR used to cost and how much it costs today. 'Cause the numbers are crazy.
Yeah, 3 years ago, a GTR was for sale in Pindi. I wanted to buy it. I offered him a bit less. वो उसकी deal किसी और के साथ होगी. So I offered him 1 crore 10 lakh rupees, right? He sold the car for 130. This is 3 years ago. Now,
Yeah.
that same car, which is a 2008 model, is worth 3 crores. And if you get a fresh GTR, let's say from the US or Canada or Dubai or wherever, so you can only get a 3-year-old car, which is a 2018. If you get a 2018, that car is $100,000 abroad. And over here, the duty on it is 4.5 crore, which is another $400,000. So you're going to pay
Yeah.
$500,000 for a GTR.
For a
Now, in
goddamn
$500,000,
GTR.
you should be driving a McLaren or a high-end Lambo, not the base one, or maybe
yeah.
a Lambo and a McLaren both for $500,000 US, right? But over here,
Exactly.
you just get a GTR. So it's stupid. This is a
Yeah.
big barrier to our racing scene because people that don't import cars, right? Because it's too much duty. It doesn't make sense that, But
Yeah, exactly.
My last question, and then I want
Yeah.
you to ask us a question. But my last question is: do you think electric vehicles are going to hit the racing scene? Because the duties on
Yeah.
that are really low right now.
yeah.
The i8s are flying in. The
Yeah,
i8s are flying in.
The i8s, because it's a hybrid, it has very less duty, and the full electric cars have even lesser duty than the hybrids, like the i8, right? So that's why
Yeah.
the Porsche Taycans are coming in. Now China is going to flood Pakistan with small electric cars, which is a big plus because they do good mileage for the money. But talking about performance, your question, the racing thing, electric power has a lot of advantages, right? Personally speaking, I don't give a shit about electric cars because I don't like it, right? Because I don't know, I am not the first enthusiast in my family. When I was growing up, even my dad was a car enthusiast, my elder brothers, right? So you grow
Yeah.
up with the smell of oil and gasoline, smelling the fumes.
Oh,
yeah.
It's a different culture. It's not just about being fast. Yes, these new Porsche Taycans which are being imported, they will
Yeah.
kill 99% cars on the street. The Teslas, the Porsches, they are extremely
Yeah.
quick off the line and they're easy to drive. Even my grandmother could drive it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's no driver element involved, there's no skill involved, but nobody cares about that because they're so fast, right? You're going to win a race, nobody cares if it was who was sitting in the car, right? So electric cars
exactly.
have a lot of future, even in performance, right? But it's a bit expensive right now to build a proper race car which is fully electric. Why? Because you need big ass
Yeah.
batteries and
Oh,
the
yeah.
inverters, the converters and stuff. So you're looking at 80, 90, $100,000 just for the build. But
Yeah.
it can be very fast on the street because of the way the power is delivered, right? So
Exactly.
I'm not excited, but if somebody decides to build one, it'll be a tough competitor for 99.9% of the car. But these cars like the GTRs, which are pushing 1500 horsepower plus, and the Evo, which we have, which is maybe 1200 horsepower, with those,
Yeah.
there is no match. But those are only 4 or 5 cars in Pakistan. Nah. The rest of the
Yeah.
cars, the electric car would eat every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I mean, it wouldn't
Oh
give
my
us.
god.
I mean, I'm talking
Yeah.
about normal Supras, Corvettes, Evos,
Yeah.
the normal builds, the mild builds.
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
electric
yeah.
cars will not. Even the i8, even though it's a 1.5 liter, it's pretty quick around town.
It's pretty quick. It's
Haan,
pretty quick.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah.
But
driven it. It's pretty
yeah,
quick.
but it's just not my cup of tea. I am excited for the normal electric cars coming into Pakistan because that is the future, but not in the performance aspect. You know, they should be the
Yeah.
economy cars should be electric. The performance cars shouldn't be. But
It shouldn't
I don't
be.
know.
I like
Yeah.
that. I like that.
And Hamza, before we sign off, ask us a question because that's the thing we do on this podcast. What
Okay.
do you want to know about us?
So I want to know that what got you guys into this? Like, were you two in school together, and then how did you get the idea of doing this together and interviewing
Oh,
people and just
it's a fun story. It's actually pretty funny. So this is something that started during the pandemic.
okay?
I was about to graduate college, and I
Okay.
was living on campus in Indiana in the middle of nowhere, and college had gone fully online. So I was
Okay.
bored out of my mind. I'm complaining to Saad.
Yeah.
I'm like, I miss like going out and meeting new people. And Saad's like,
Okay.
bro,
Yeah.
let's start a podcast. He says it as a joke, okay? And I'm like,
Huh.
and I just paused. And I'm like, okay,
Kar
let's
lete
do it.
Let's do it.
That's randomly how it should be.
And we started the next day.
And then we start the next day.
Then we did 3 episodes a week until we hit 50 episodes with a new
Okay.
guest almost every time.
Okay.
Now we're at 2 episodes a week. We took a small break in the middle, but like we're going hard as ever. And like honestly,
Yeah.
it's a ton of fun.
It's so
Like,
much
people
fun.
like you would
So
make
much
this
fun.
worth it.
No,
Yeah,
I'm glad I
बहुत
could.
मजा आता है.
I mean, we could go on for hours and hours, but then obviously people would get bored. They don't want to watch a 2-hour
Exactly.
movie.
We've got a little bit of a time constraint.
Huh.
But we'll dive into the story of the podcast off air. But guys, thank you so much for joining us, TK. We have hit 26 minutes, 27 now. I'm watching the clock.
Oh,
It's
I didn't
kinda
even see
getting
the
up there.
time. It just flew by.
Yeah. It flies by. But yeah, guys. Hamza started a YouTube channel. Him and I are going to be collaborating on multiple videos in the future. He does epic reviews. His information is linked down below. Please do check it out. It's a car review channel, and then hopefully you'll see Hamza on my channel, my vlog channel. Yeah, we'll
Yep,
catch that
for
later.
sure, for
but
sure.
yeah, guys. I think we're done. Peace. Adios. Goodbye.